Okay, so should we go live, Vinod?
Yes, please.
Okay, okay, we are starting 2 बज गया ना? Yeah. Okay, we are going live. Hello, everyone, and very good afternoon. This is Kritika from Franchise Bazaar. So, as you all know, that we bring different opportunities every week for you. So, today we will be presenting Shreshtayu, which is 83rd of the 100 best franchises to own in 2021. So, Shreshtayu caters to an Ayurvedic range, and it specializes in sleep disorder oil. So, in order to discuss more about the brand and what opportunity does it offer to a distributor and a dealer, today we have with us Mr. Vinod Kumar. So, thank you, Vinod, for joining with us today and being part of this session. If you could introduce yourself and how did you come up with this concept? How did this idea of Shrestha you started? So, please, over to you.
Thank you so much, Kritika. Hi, everyone. I'm Dr. Vinod. We are into multiple LOBs. We are into IT product development, and we do produce some shows in TV channels as well. And coming to Stress.io, this is one of our major wing where we manufacture Ayurvedic products. We place only in wellness products. Every product what we produce,
Mhm.
it is sort of for well-being of a humankind. So we are
Mhm.
into cosmetics, though the ingredients what we use in as a raw materials for our products that can be used as a cosmetics, but we want to place ourselves as a premium Ayurveda brand for well-being. So as
Right.
now we have come with two unique products, and both the
Mhm.
products are one of its kind in the market now. The very first product what
Right.
we have is Shrestha Sleep Oil. The name
Mhm.
Shrestha, it means Shrestha means supreme, and Ayu means
Mhm.
the lifespan. So you can understand the meaning of the name. So supreme lifespan. See the
Right.
most,
Right.
yeah, the most underrated problem what we have in the today's world is sleepless nights. See,
Right.
generally we don't take it very
Mhm.
seriously. The see, even if you're getting obesity, or even if you're
Mhm.
diabetic, or if you're having BP, whatever the problem we are facing, the indirect reason is lack of sleep. So the very
Understood.
first,
Right.
yeah, the very first product what we had is, as we are into IT background, so we have that,
Mhm.
we know that problem of lack of sleep. See, if we are not able to sleep properly in the night, next day we cannot work properly, and that is
Right.
with
Right.
every industry now, because of corona, maybe a financial crisis or family issues, whatever the
Mhm.
reason, but we are not able to sleep. And in the market, the only possible product for sleep is sleeping pills. And you all
Right.
aware, if someone takes sleeping pills continuously for 9 to 12 days, they'll get addicted to it.
Mhm.
The next day, if they skip the
Right. Right.
sleeping pill, they cannot able to sleep. So what we did, instead
Mhm.
of following these sleeping pills or using this, we developed a product called as Resta Sleep Oil, and we submitted the formulation, the samples
Mhm.
to the Ministry of Ayush, and we got the approval from the Ministry of Ayush. And this is the first product to get approval from Ministry of Ayush for sleep problem. So that is first
Understood. Understood.
triggering point or USP are the reason behind why we are so aggressive and investing so huge money, because we got Ayush approval.
Mhm.
So getting approval in
Understood.
itself
And
is,
that's a very big thing. Yeah.
yeah, true, Kritika. Getting Ayush approval itself a great achievement we can say. And
Right.
we have one more product called Immunity Booster, and that is also very unique.
Mhm.
This is the first immunity booster to develop in emulsion format. See, to
Okay.
make you understand, emulsion format means you might have heard of Rasna, right? In our early days,
Mhm.
we used to have a drink called Rasna.
Okay.
Every child used to love, love to drink that flavored drinks. Now,
Right. Right. Right.
what we did, we are making Ayurvedic extracts, herbal
Mhm.
extracts in emulsion format, that in a mango flavor.
Right.
This is the first immunity booster extracted from the herbal and made it in emulsion format. and this is
Got it.
also
So,
approved by Minister of Ayush.
okay, okay. So how's the response? I think this Shreshtu sleeping oil was the first product that you launched in Shreshtayu. So
Correct.
how was the response of the end customer? And definitely, you got approval from Ministry of Ayush. So that's a big achievement, and it's been licensed now. So, but how was the response? How did you see the response as soon as it was launched? And
Responses is very encouraging, Kritika. See,
Mhm,
here what we did before going for a commercial production, we
mhm.
tried this sleep oil with 4,000 people of different age
Right.
groups and different sectors, housewives, working women, and
Mhm,
middle-aged people, old-age people, and the people who face the insomnias. Like that, we have tried on 4,000 people. After getting the
mhm.
positive and very encouraging results from 4,000, then we proceeded for the commercial production. And
Understand that.
once we went for commercial production, what we did, we sent samples to different locations in AP and Telangana to existing
Mhm,
pharma distributors. We sent them samples of 100 bottles each to each district.
mhm.
Surprisingly, within a day, we got the next order. We got the bulk orders.
Wow, superb. I think
Our
that
very yeah,
speaks
our very first
about the
customer
brand.
is our distributor itself.
Okay,
So when
got
they
it.
tried
Got
on
it.
their own, when they're able to sleep happily, then they got the
Mhm.
extra what you say boost or confidence of promoting this product. And fortunately, now we are with a satellite channel called HMTV.
Okay.
We'll be promoting our ads through HMTV. They are our media partners. So now the
Okay.
brand value has increased to the next level, and we are associating with what do you say Apollo Group, and we'll be supplying to their entire 2,400 outlets pan India.
Wow, that's a really big achievement
Yeah,
because
in
Apollo
very
also has
short
a very big
span.
network.
Correct,
Yeah,
correct.
it has a big network, so I think the product would be available at
Every corner,
pan India level, at a
pan India
pan
level.
India
True,
level. Yeah.
true, true.
So we move to the next slide, wherein we would also want to understand that speaking of Ayurvedic products and the ranges,
Competitors,
there are
yes.
different competitors in the market, and there's some well-known names such as Forest Essential, Kama Ayurveda, Patanjali, Guruji. So how would you differentiate yourself in that competition?
Kritika, here we have a very interesting points when we speak about our competitors.
Mm-hmm.
See, if you take First
Correct.
Essential as one example for a case study, see,
Mm-hmm.
they are into, they themselves address as a luxury Ayurveda brand. And we are positioning ourselves as a premium Ayurveda brand. So they are luxury and we are premium. The difference is, see, in Forest,
I think your voice is breaking in between.
is that now? Am I audible? Am I audible now? Kritika,
Yes,
am I audible?
yeah, Vinod, we lost you in between. So, yes, you were mentioning that they present themselves as a luxurious brand and you are into premium segment. Yeah.
Correct. See, why I'm saying we are premium and they're luxury. See, the ingredients what they're using, they're the, we can say they're the best in class. In Ayurveda,
Right.
what are the essential oils they use or the raw materials what they use? They are
Mm-hmm.
using the best possible. And we are using the same raw materials, we are using the same ingredients, and we are using the pure herbal essential oils. Let me take one quick example. See, in Forest Essential, there is a product called Tranquilla,
Yeah.
and that product they claim for someone who uses that particular Tranquilla product, that will help
Mm-hmm.
people to get good sleep. See, how
Got
they
it.
claim, I mean, it is made out of 10 lavender essential oil. The Tranquilla bottle
Mm-hmm.
consists of 10 ml of lavender essential oil. What they claim, they
Right.
ask users to spray that essential oil on a pillow before they sleep.
Okay.
Because of lavender, that essence or smell, people may get.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Generally,
Understood.
lavender
Even
oil.
Kama Ayurveda.
Yeah,
Even Kama
in
Ayurveda
Kama
has.
Ayurveda does the same thing. See, when these people are able to sell their products only with one ingredient, we should be
Mm-hmm.
selling in multiple. The reason, in our
Mm-hmm.
sleep oil we are using lavender essential oil as these competitors are using. but
Mm-hmm.
they are restricted only to one ingredient, but we have moved a step ahead and we are using lavender oil, pudina extract, vitamin C serum, vitamin E oil. So all this will definitely support for a better sleep.
Right. I think that's clear. That clearly sets the picture. You know, how is it different, and what is
And
that
the price
addition that you're
and
offering?
the we have a huge difference in the price as well. See, Forest Essential
Mm-hmm.
product which I was explaining so far, they are selling
Mm-hmm.
it for 954 each
Okay.
10 ml bottle, and we are selling our product of 30 ml bottle at 279. The only reason it
Right.
is not compromising with the ingredient, but as we are entering new to the market, uh, we want people to try our product. So that is the only reason why we kept the lowest possible rate, but we are maintaining good margins to the distributors.
Mm-hmm.
And we are the only
Understood. Got it.
and we
Perfect.
are
So I
the
think this. Yes, please, Vinod, go ahead.
yeah, and we are the only Ayurveda brand to give the highest margins to the distributors in the market so far.
Wow, that's really great. So we would, in the upcoming slide, we would also understand what is the distributorship, model. What is that they can avail once they get associated. Before we move to that slide, we would want to understand, what is the product ranges. I think we've already discussed about
Yeah,
the
yeah, I briefed.
licensing terms, approvals, and the other things.
Mm-hmm.
So if you could also walk us through this slide and
See
explain,
here,
what quality and standard does it hold.
perfect. See, all these are explained. So, I mean already, but let me brief you one more time. See, the product what we are
Mm-hmm.
using is made out of natural ingredients. So, it itself
Yeah.
shows there are no side effects. And to
Mm-hmm.
authenticate this statement, the approval license is itself a authenticate statement. See, unless it has no side effects, will not get the Ayush approval. And coming to the
Mm-hmm.
quality standards, the manufacturing unit what where we manufacture all these products is a WHO GMP certified. That is means we are maintaining international standards. The
Right.
total manufacturing process happens at automated plant. End to end is the automated machinery. There won't be any
Mm-hmm.
human interference in between anywhere in the manufacturing. Starting from the making till the packing, it is automated plant and it is a ISO certified, GMP certified, and WHO GMP certified.
Okay,
Yeah.
great, perfect. So, Mr. Amit has joined with us. He has a question, where can I buy? Definitely, if you would be interested in the product ranges, you can visit the site. But if you're interested in distributorship, please connect with us. I'll be sharing the contact details, email ID with you, wherein you can get in touch with us
Perfect.
and,
And the
we can
product
brief you on
are
this
available
further.
in Amazon as well. You can give a try if you want to try.
Yeah.
It is available in Amazon.
Great, great. So, definitely all how are the key strengths once they get associated with the brand, how do you support them in the long run? So, if you could walk us through this particular
Correct. See,
slide as well.
here we created a new marketing strategy where no other competitors is having that. See, the uniqueness what
Mm-hmm.
we have, we don't require any fixed deposits or royalty charges. We are not charging any those what do you expensive investments. And the
Mm-hmm.
second thing, for every distributor based on the sales and the quantity where they lift initially, we are giving a dedicated employees for them. These employees will be working for the distributors, but we will be paying their salaries behalf of the distributor. So distributor can have a marketing
Right.
team where these people will go to the retailers, they'll place the products. Instead of they paying salary, we'll be paying their salaries. And the
Understood.
and the next best thing, there is no waiting period. If someone is interested, they can start immediately, as we have done with all the what you say R&D work, the market trials,
Mm-hmm.
surveys, everything is
Got it.
done. So they can, it's a all set ready, it's a ready-made meal. They can start having it from the day one.
Got it. And how much time does it usually take for them to, start showing interest and to start with this particular distributorship model? Like, what is the timeline? A week's timeline or a month's timeline?
Correct. It all depends on the profile of the distributors. If they're existing distributors,
Mhm.
they have everything ready. All that we need to is sign the agreement through the franchisee
Mhm.
buzzer. We'll go ahead with the commercial as agreed. And
Yes.
within 3 days, we'll be sending, I mean, within a week, we'll be sending them the stock as per the agreement. And it
And
continues. So the overall time is hardly a week to 10 days. That's it.
got it, got it. So let's move to the next slide, wherein I would want to understand that what is the financial structure, like how much do they need to invest, and what is the margin that they can earn out of this particular model.
Right, Kritika. See, the investment they need to make is 5 lakhs. That 5 lakhs is for the lifting the initial stock. That is not a security
Mm-hmm.
deposit or not the royalty charges. Whatever the money they're
Okay.
investing as a 5 lakhs, we'll be
Mm-hmm.
giving them the that equivalent material. I mean the products.
Okay. Right.
And as I said, we are the only Ayurvedic brand to give the highest possible margin. We are giving 40% margin on the MRP to the distributors.
Mm-hmm.
So they can keep 10% and they can give, if they can give 30% to the retailers, they will be the highest selling distributors.
Okay. Super great. So 40% is the margin which is
They make on each sale.
being given, and total investment they need to make. Actually, yeah, you just got disconnected. So, my question was, is there any space or capacity which is required to
No,
keep
no,
the
Kritika.
stocks or store the stocks?
Initially, we do support them. We help them in shipment. We'll help them in
Mhm.
what is it, placing the material. So they need not to have, they need not to make an investment for space or the warehouses. We'll take care of that
Okay,
shipment.
understood, understood. So we move to the next slide, wherein we definitely would want to understand that, like as we were discussing about the margin and the profit that they are going to make. So I think over here you have specified the average monthly sale quantity and how much margin that they can. Would you like to elaborate or add points, some couple of points over here?
Sure, sure. See, the slide what we are
Mhm.
seeing on the screen, it's itself a self-explanatory, and you can see the two products what we have as of now with Restayu. That is one is
Mhm.
immunity booster, and the second one is sleep oil. And I have
Right.
mentioned the MRP of each product where we are selling to
Mhm.
the customer, and the distributor price I have mentioned below. So you can see the margin each on each sale what they get. So in
Right.
the left right side, I mentioned for 1 lakh bottles. If they make
Mhm.
1 lakh bottle sale per month, or how much I mean, what is the margin they're going to get?
Right.
Yeah,
Okay. Got it. So I think these are the two projects, and you specified the margin ranges over
correct,
and above
correct. So as
how
of
much.
now, sorry to interrupt. As of now, it is only two products, but in every 3 months we'll be adding one more. I mean, we'll be adding a new wellness product for once in every 3 months.
Okay, one more product you're going to add in
So
this,
that
definitely.
that is ever
So,
ending. Yeah, the range will increase to a greater extent.
right, I think this slide gives a very clear picture in terms of the margin and the profitability that all the distributors are going to make. Perfect. So we move to the next slide, wherein definitely all the distributors would also want to understand what is the criteria or background that they should come from, because I think in the distributorship model they should have a chain or be connected to certain stores
True. See, if they have, they're the existing distributors, it is like a
to
cakewalk for them.
make that sale happen and to generate that sort of revenue. So do they require? Hmm.
So if they are existing distributors, if they have a prior experience, it will be a cakewalk for them. Like if they are not into the this particular segment, and if they are very new to the distribution, anyways, we do help them in establishing everything. We'll guide them.
Right.
Uh,
Mm-hmm.
so we have industrial experts from all over the country, so we can connect the nearest senior person to them. We do support them. So fresher or the existing distributor,
Okay.
both are eligible. The only thing
Both are eligible for
from the
this. Okay.
distributor is they should have a zeal to do business. That is the only requirement what we're
Mhm.
getting from the distributor. They should have that zeal.
Understood. And what is the timeline that they get associated? Like, suppose they have signed up as a distributorship for Shrestha You. So, what is the agreement period for that?
I mentioned, Kritika, it's hardly 1 week to 10 days to initially finish all these formalities. And initially, we'll sign the agreement for 1 year and we can renew it year on year.
Okay, okay, understood.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. We moved. So I hope all the distributors have got an understanding about the model. So as we were discussing about, the licensing part and the registration part. So, what were the success stories since when you have launched the brand till so far? In terms of getting associated with the brand or a partnership or even in the distributorship model.
See, let me put three simple success stories.
Mm-hmm.
The first success achievement is getting Aish approval. So
Yes.
after that, once we launched, as I said, we sent 100 bottles to each district for a trial run.
Mhm.
And very
Okay.
next day, we got the bulk orders from those day distributors. And
Wow, that's
we
really.
have 14 successfully running distributions in AP and
Mhm.
Telangana, and they're doing too good. And the next
Okay.
big success is this product is accepted by Apollo Group.
Okay, great, perfect. So I think now it will be available, like we were discussing earlier, that now it will be available at every corner, like people can access to the product and they can use the product. So definitely
And we
that's a
can,
great.
yeah, and we can say one more achievement what we did is we
Yes.
able to crack a deal with a satellite news channel as a media
Okay.
partner. So we'll be all the time on the TV news channel. So every time we open the, I mean, we turn on the TV, we can see the ad of Seresta.
Wow, superb. I think that's really good.
Yep.
Wow, that's really great and that's really commendable. I think that's a great achievement, and
True. See,
surely all the
generally,
distributors, would be motivated to hear such story and would definitely want.
definitely see any product that comes frequently on a TV channel that itself creates some confidence in the buyers and the distributors as well. See, this is what we call as a brand creation, right? If any brand that is visible on news and visible on n number of platforms, that itself called it's a brand creation. So we are able to crack that possibility in a very early stage.
Right, 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 and that's really commendable. So I hope all the viewers who will be going through the session have heard the message, and would request them to write their message on through whichever platform they're connected to us, so that we can initiate a discussion and connect you with them for further discussion. So let's move to the next slide, wherein I'll have couple of questions from a distributor and dealers point of view that we usually get. So how did the business started, and how long did it take to create that network of distribution, and to create that particular channel of distribution.
So I must say we are working in a fast track mode.
Hmm.
So,
Yeah.
we are, I mean, say as a company, as a parental group, we are 5 years old, but coming to Sreshtayu, we are just months old baby. This is our
Right.
fifth working month. So whatever the success I shared, whatever the achievements we did everything in these
Right.
5 months. So we are going in, I mean, supersonic speed.
Wow, that's really great. And you have created how many distributors?
14,
Like, have
14,
you
14,
appointed so far?
14 distributors we have
Four,
as of now.
14 you have already appointed, and the locations that you would be open for it is
We
on a
are
pan
open for
India level.
pan India, and as
Pan
I
India.
mentioned earlier, Kritika, we are eligible to export these products as well. So as I mentioned, the manufacturing unit
Right.
we are using it is a WHO GMP certified, and the product is
Hmm.
approved, and we got all the supporting certifications and the required procedure and standards. So we are
Right.
eligible and we are open for a global market.
Okay, that's really great, and I hope this message goes to the distributors who are connected through the other parts of the world as well, so that they can get in touch with us. So we
Perfect.
move to the next slide. wherein we would definitely want to understand that, like when you say a pan India location, now that you're already associated with Apollo and the other networks. So, would it be like in terms of a lead generation, how would you support them? Because again, Apollo also has a pan India presence, so it will be available in every single store of their network. So, in terms of your contacts and your team, how will you support them to generate leads or in their particular location wherever they are opening?
So Kritika, as I mentioned, we'll be
Mm-hmm.
giving them a dedicated employees at their locations. So the people
Mm-hmm.
we hire or we deploy, we'll be deploying them at their location. Say example, if we got one distributor from Bangalore, so based
Right.
on his potentiality and the volume of units he is picking up from us. So based on that, we'll hire the number of employees. See if he is able to pick 1 lakh bottle every month or once in 2 months. So we'll give
Mm-hmm.
them the 3 employees or 4 employees to cover up that particular region where instead of see alone we
Mm-hmm.
cannot do everything.
Right, right, right.
We'll hire the people and what they do, they'll conduct campaigns in this region. They'll
Mm-hmm.
awareness programs. We'll be sending the free samples sometimes. And
Mm-hmm.
anyways, we'll be coming in the news channel. We'll be coming in the ads. We'll be doing so digital marketing. So we do support in all possible ways. And the shipping will be taken care by ourselves, like
Got it. You are going to
Katrina too.
support in a 360-degree firm.
Correct. True.
Right, right, got it. So, like I know it's very soon to ask this, that how were your distributors performing during COVID and pandemic times? Like, were they able to achieve the numbers since you have started very recently with the
True.
distributorship concept?
Definitely, we had
Mm-hmm.
challenges during pandemic. This lockdown, we
Mm-hmm.
definitely had many challenges. But the advantage what we had is our
Right.
sales has become more. I mean, increased during this situation because this
Mm-hmm.
lockdown time, no one was able to sleep, and every person
Right.
behind the immunity. So these are the two products what we have. One
Mm-hmm.
is for sleep, another product is for good immunity. So
Immunity, yeah.
yeah, that has increased our
Def-
energy levels.
there was a market, there was a main market for it
Correct,
to for the
correct.
sales to
Yeah.
happen, definitely.
So
So we
awareness,
understand that. Oh,
people got that awareness without we spending any money.
wow,
Yeah.
that's really great.
Yeah.
So we have this last question wherein we move to the next slide,
Mm-hmm.
wherein I would also want to understand, in terms of the distributors that you have created, how is the success? I mean, like, how are they able to perform, like in terms of stocks also? Like, say, for example, first month or second month, they would have taken stock. So, how is the renewal happening for them, or are they able to achieve, like, in whichever location they are trying to create a network? Have you got more contacts through them, or have you got more sales through, or percentage through them?
Uh, See the 14 distributors whom I said, like we have existing 14
Mhm.
distributors. On our own,
Right.
we appointed only four, rest 10 through references of these four distributors.
Okay.
So,
That's really great. I mean, that's what distributor network and channel is all about. When you
correct.
create that network and you get connected to more number of distributors and dealers in that network.
Correct.
So
So as I
definitely, so
mentioned
I
in
think.
yeah, sorry, as I mentioned at the beginning, our distributor is our first
Mhm.
customer. So when they're satisfied
Right,
with the
right.
products, they're pushing our product very hard in the market. So
Understood. Perfect. So definitely, we are looking forward to your question whenever you are going through this session or going through this particular video. And to any distributors and dealers, if you're interested in Shrishti opportunity, please get in touch with us. We move to the next slide, wherein we have specified the contact details through which you can get in touch with us. You can give us a call on this number. It's 9844443200. Also, you can write us a mail, business@franchiseebazaar.com. And if you visit franchiseebazaar.com, the opportunity is already listed. Apart from this, there are other opportunities also. So I'm sure you would be able to crack one opportunity for yourself and would be beneficial for you. So thank you, Mr. Vinod, for being part of this session and giving an overview and insight into Shrishtayu. I think it was a great session and knowing such interesting facts about the brand and how you have started it. So, any message to the business seekers before we wrap up the session? I mean, to the distributors and dealers that you would want to give.
Thank you so much, Kritika, for this opportunity. And I mean, it's very happy to get a chance to interact with the upcoming distributors and the existing distributors. The only one thing I want to say, the people who want to start their business, or if someone want to start the career, I would say this would be the best opportunity, as we are giving the highest possible margin. And the second thing is, every product what we have is a unique and one of its kind. So it will be very easy, and it's a cakewalk for every distributor who enters into it.
Right, right. Absolutely. I believe that it's a really great product, and there has been a lot of achievements that you have achieved in past couple of months. So I think that would boost their motivation level to move ahead with this particular opportunity. So thank you everyone, and to all the business seekers who joined with us and who are going to view this session. So just stay connected with us. We are yet to present a couple of more opportunities for you, and it's in the pipeline for another a few weeks. So you like us, follow us, and share us on social media platform of Franchisee Bazaar, so that you are updated on the opportunity that we are going to showcase. And thank you, Mr. Vinod, once again
Thank you so
for
much.
being
Thank
part of
you.
this session and for giving an insight.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
Good
so
day to
much, and
everyone. Yeah.
yes, thank you all, and stay connected with us. Yeah, thank you.